Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. Both devices use the same Apple ID and have current iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings and verify the Apple ID at the top, then do the same on the iPad. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and both devices are on the same network. Also check Software Update and install any pending updates. These steps ensure secure authentication and compatibility before you enable messages syncing. Now enable messages in iCloud so threads sync across devices. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, and toggle Messages on. Do the same immediately on the iPad. When prompted, choose Merge to upload conversations to iCloud. This preserves history. If you have many messages or attachments, keep both devices on Wi-Fi and charging. Syncing can take time. Once iCloud finishes, new and existing messages will propagate between devices automatically. Finish by enabling text message forwarding so SMS texts reach your iPad. On the iPhone, open Settings, go to Messages, then Text Message Forwarding, and toggle your iPad on. You may see a verification code appear on the iPad. Enter it on the iPhone to confirm. This lets your iPad send and receive SMS alongside iMessage. If messages don't appear, sign out of the Apple ID on both devices and sign back in, or restart both devices. That typically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.